DIY viewers? Today, Zach and I are going to review the Surviveware First Aid Kit. So the first thing that we notice about the Surviveware First Aid Kit is that it's a nice polyester bag, and I've actually seen videos online where it actually floats. It's not waterproof, it is definitely water resistant though, and it will float in water for quite a while. So it's awesome for kayaking or canoeing or any type of thing like that. On the back, you have Velcro straps to attach it. Excellent for bikes or any other thing that you can attach it on. And then finally, if you have a Molly style backpack, it has the Molly strips so that you can attach it there. Our backpacking backpack here happens to have the Molly straps. So you just put it right through here. And it has snaps that will just snap it on. And that way, if you're backpacking and you need the first aid kit right away, you can just rip it right off the bag and have at it. So as you can see, this first aid kit basically has everything you would ever need. On the left side, it has adhesive bandages right here. It has hypoallergenic tape right there, medical tape. This is a CPR kit. And on the inside, it actually has the directions on how to perform adult CPR. And on the reverse, it has directions for a child or baby CPR. I've actually unfortunately had to perform CPR one time in my life, so I wish I had this kit back then because it would have helped me. But it has a mask for the CPR, it has nitrile gloves, it has antiseptic towelettes to wipe before you do CPR to anybody. That is a great feature to have that not all first aid kits have. Continuing on the left side, we have a pair of medical shears, which will cut through a seatbelt or clothing, so it's excellent for the car or outdoors, which is what we're aiming to have this for. In the back on the left side, they have some tweezers, stainless steel mind you, and they have splinter removers so that you can remove splinters. And finally on the left side, they have safety pins, so that way you can attach this to like a bandage or something, so you need to hold tight. You can also make really quick stitches if you have to close up a wound. In the middle of the kit, they actually have a lot of materials too. They have Q-tips, a tourniquet, and they have an emergency whistle. Zach, do the honors. Nice job. It still has a little bit of space too if you want to add more stuff on the inside. So on the right side, they actually have a card that comes with this. And they have some very good videos online to show you all about your first aid kit, but they also tell you what's included in the whole kit. And on the back, they have a discount for your next purchase, so very good company to deal with. On the right side, we have pressure bandages, conforming bandages, eye pads, skin cleaning wipes in here, wound closures, triangular bandage, and an emergency Mylar blanket, which is always great to have. And as you can see, everything is clearly marked in the bag, so that if you're trying to find things right away, you'll definitely find it. Everything's marked, or if you need to repack it because you've used some supplies, you'll be able to do that. You'll also notice that all the products are wrapped in plastic bags. That's to add to the waterproofing of the materials on the inside. But again, this bag will float for a while in water. Zach and I, we want to get ready for our grand camping trip in June, right?
Right.
And maybe we'll make some video of that.
Yeah,
right?
even I think we can roast marshmallows if they allow that.
I think they'll roast marshmallows. I think we can roast marshmallows. Yeah,
if they allow it.
Okay, but you want to go like hiking and it's at the beach and everything,
Yeah,
right?
even I want to swim in ocean too.
Yeah, do you think you want to share that in video with some of these people out there? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll take some video while we're out there. So overall, the Surviveware First Aid Kit is just an excellent thing to have. We need a first aid kit. It's going to be great to have around the house, in the car, any type of camping that we do in the future is going to be great. Again, it'd also be great for kayaking or canoeing because again, the bag does float for a long time. It could also be useful for biking. Probably leave it in the house for now and then take it with us while camping. If you'd like to purchase your Surviveware First Aid Kit, please look for a link in the description below. We'll be sending you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. We appreciate all your support. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.